Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are back on FIFA 19. Today we are going to do a pack opening, which involves opening 30 guaranteed Team of the Season packs. Here we go. 50k packs, so I might be spending about 1.5 million coins, so let's see what we can get. But that's a very good start to walk out. And just to let you know, it may not be the Team of the Season that pops up. It could be any card. We got Hastunberg. That's a good start. Not opening the free packs because we're not. Come on. So, Brazil, Cam, centre mid. It's Allen. We got Anholt. It's not a walkout. Oh, it's Jackham. Another walkout. It's Colombia. Striker. I think it's Zapata. I think that's his name. Yeah. 94. Come on. Another one I saw. We've got O'Shea. Italian. Verratti. Oh, Verratti's decent. I thought I was going to get Chiellini, but who cares? Verratti's still decent. Come on, please. Hang on, please. Yes, please, be good. Yes! Get in! 99. Virgil van Dijk, get in. That's the one I wanted. That's a 99 rated card. That's a fucking good card. No, he's worth a lot as well. The Team of the Season version. I don't know why they upgraded the Team of the Season cards, but they could have done it in prop. Romano. And we get Tagliafico. I don't know how to say his name, but he's still a very good player. It's not a Team of the Season, it's one of them new. It's a Champions League card, but I don't know which one it is. It's Mo Salah. We still get a Team of the Season in the pack, but it's probably gonna be a shit one. Norwood. Rui Silva. Come on. We get French. CDM. Might be a good one. What the hell is that club? I've never heard of that guy before, but he looks a very decent card. And we get... who's up to it? Eduardo. I don't know how to say the name. But we got man of the match in there as well. Shackle. Oh my god. Oh, Walker's not too bad from Nottingham Forest, but it's in Mansfield because he went on loan. But now he's gone to Lincoln City on loan. Got one of these new cards. CDM, Italian, Roma, De Rossi. And we got Clark from Portsmouth. Got Italian, centre mid. Don't know, I'm not sure what the call is. Santi Cazorla. That's not too bad. French. Left back. That's Brazilian. Come on, Portugal. Wait, hang on. Oh, that's still decent. Ronaldo's silver. Ronaldo troll. Who cares? Another walkout. Yeah. Ooh, Belgium. Left wing, please. Oh, we get Eden Hazard. Yes, get in. I've not packed him. That's decent. But now he's gone to Real Madrid. I think it was about 130 million pounds. Oh, come on. So we packed Van Dijk and Hazard, the decent ones. Mexican. Centre mid. It's a bad one. Don't know that club. It's Guzman. 11 to go. Oh, it's what is it? La Liga player of the team of the tournament. Who is this? It's Williams. No, oh, that's decent. And we've got Daniel James. No, somewhat James from Wigan. Come on. Italian. Right mid. Luxury. Oh dear. Oh. Davis. Oh, Chelsea player. So it's Ashbalaquata. That's decent. Italian centre mid. Oh, we got Fekir as well. 6 to go. There's another one. Yep. German. Right mid. Ganabi. Yep. Five to go. Don't want all these. Don't want all of these being non-walkouts. Yeah, we got a walkout. It is Spanish left back. Yeah, oh, I thought it was with Joy Alba. And Gilliam. That's not too bad. He's a good player. 3 left. French. Striker. I thought I was going to get Griezmann. Brazil. I can't remember CDM. Fernandinho. Didn't think about him, but that's a good player. Very good player. And the last one. I'm not even gonna look. Oh, yeah, it's now a walkout. For fuck's sake, it's fucking Shackle. Okay. And just to end this video off, I'm going to open one Prime Moments icon. And in this one, I'm going to say I'm going to get... I'm going to get... Gary Lineker. No! It's Ronaldo! What? I only guessed Gary Lineker, but I don't care. I just got Ronaldo. You know what? Just for banter, I'm gonna put another one. Let's just hope we just get Pele next. You know what? Just fuck it. I'm gonna get I'm gonna say Yashin on this one. Lev Yashin. Also guys, while the ads are going on, today, if you're a Nottingham Forest or Derby fan, it remarks the 15th anniversary of the passing away of Brian Clough. 15 years ago today, Brian Clough sadly passed away. So on this one I said Lev Yashin. Nope, I got both wrong. This one is George Best from Manchester United. Oh, I haven't even packed him. Right, let's just get rid of all my duplicates, and that's going to be finishing the pack opening. Right then guys, that's going to end off the video today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe if you're new around here. Also leave a like. My Instagram will be in the description, I'll put it there so you can follow me to keep up to date with the videos. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.